Here's something you might not know. APIs are important, but APIs are eating the world. I'm James Hirst. I'm one of the founders of Tyke and Chief Operating Officer. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the impact that APIs make for enterprises of all types. APIs generate 83% of all internet traffic. And it's not just the scale of the traffic that's important, it's the fact that the APIs are so tightly woven into almost everything we do today. For example, APIs have revolutionized the way we travel, and they've completely transformed the entire travel industry. I'm pretty sure that most folks watching this will have used a travel comparison site at some point. And those sites couldn't exist without APIs. APIs enable those platforms to pull in real-time data from multiple travel companies and hotels, allowing shoppers to compare prices, amenities, and reviews at a glance. APIs play a crucial role in optimizing the entire travel market. That's led to better resource allocation, better demand forecasting, and ultimately a more efficient market. What's true of the travel industry is true of most every industry today. APIs are transforming entire sectors, and really, APIs are eating the world. Tyke is an API management platform. That means we help an organization take control of all of the APIs that they use. So for instance, with a travel API, you only want to make sure that your partners and your customers can access the information that they should have. Maybe some customers have access to one part of an API, one set of data, other sets of customers and partners have access to a different area. The growth in APIs has driven a huge growth in internet traffic. And that means you need to take control of the traffic. We make it easier for an organization to take that control. For instance, as a global organization, you may have a single product that is available across different countries, different regions. However, as an organization, the rules that apply to the consumer in those different regions are different. Part of what Tyke does is it allows you as an organization to control that same product and the way it's used in 3 different regions. Make sure you comply with the regulations, have a single view and a single control over it all. Just as an API enables customers and partners to connect to your systems, then obviously it opens a potential for those who wish you ill to engage as well. So you think about hackers, you think about people getting unauthorized access. Now, there are acknowledged standards for securing APIs, but there's an old adage in computer engineering that you shouldn't roll your own security. And so the way to do that is to place an API gateway in front of your APIs. That way your engineers are not responsible for the security. One of the fastest growing areas of API use is internally within an enterprise. So commonly a large enterprise will have many different development teams, all who've got their own expertise, their own domain, their own ownership of services and product. Each of those teams will want to interface with the other team. And the way they do that is by plugging the APIs together. And that seems pretty straightforward. But the problem becomes, how do those teams stay in sync? And so that's where API management comes in. We have an API management platform that takes care of all of these concerns. So teams can focus on building value in the business, not on the administration, the audit, and the security concerns. And that's grown along with this growth in what we call a platform team. Thanks for listening to me talk today. If you have APIs, if you have teams distributed across the region and you want to learn more, then please check out our links below the video. That's all we have time for today. Thank you.